Hi everyone, so this video will be quite unexpected because I did my tryout with the Yaqi brushes from AliExpress and the postman just surprised me and I decided to make a short unboxing video to actually see my initial impressions and just to share with you what can you expect based from the overall, nice touch, descriptions and images. I reckon that a lot of synthetic brushes in particular, and the better ones, the knots are pretty much similar to some, let's say, European or American brushes, and I suspected that maybe they are sourced from the Far East, and the price on this one was about $10, so I decided that I really don't have anything to lose. I kind of was prepared to wait for like 60 days, I think it was announced, but actually it came to my house in maybe 20 or something like that, so fairly good. So it's probably some code of it. The packaging is, the box is sturdy enough to handle the transport, and as you know I like the synthetic brushes because they are very soft and use less soap and creams compared to other brushes, so I wanted to check it out just to have one for spare. And here it is. I don't know, did it have some in particular name. From the first look I can feel that it's maybe a little bit less tightly packed compared with the RazoRock, so RazoRock seems to be a little bit more of a higher quality. The handle is nice, it's 24mm knot, so just as I like, not too wide, not too big, not too bulky. It's a light bulb shape, so in overall it's familiar feel. Maybe it's not just a tad, a little bit rougher than Silvertip, but I cannot really say, to be honest. It has a nice backbone, as you see. It takes me a good press to actually compress it, so this one would be excellent for hard soaps and creams. Also it has a nice length, as you can see, if you dip it in the bowl and you need to lather it. Like I said, I feel that it is a little bit less packed compared to Omega or RazoRock, but I don't see it as a fault, to be honest. It's smooth, it's nice. It's a good spare brush, to be honest, for $10. I mean, I got free shipping. I must emphasize that, so it seems to be as a nice one. Hope that you will see it's like black marble structure, so it's not the prettiest one, it's not the ugliest one. We can dispute about tastes, but for me personally I bought it as a spare synthetic brush just in case that something happens to my Silvertip RazoRock. But yeah, so far it seems promising, and yeah, it's a solid one. No mistakes on that, no rough edges, no misalignments, no imperfections. I can't wait to test it. So far it seems to be just fine. So there you go, Yaqi. Nice one.